The school's considerably different than a standard school construction. The items and the methods that we've used, we've tried to capture off all the other main school builds that we've done previously. These include the integration of air source heat pumps, solar panels, underfloor heating, using far more natural products than we would normally. This has reduced our embodied carbon, and we've reached the target set by REBA for 2030, which we managed to do in 2024. It's built of 6 blocks, and the materials we used for the buildings are mainly natural to ensure that we've got the right embodied carbon results that we wanted throughout construction. The facades themselves are mainly built of natural materials. That includes slate, that includes timber, cedar cladding. We've also used recycled aluminium for the substrate of the facades, which again is reducing the carbon manufacture for the products used.
Step Energy are part of Stepnell's. We're their renewable specialists, and we deal with all their projects for the renewable side. We're engaged in this project mainly for the solar system put onto the main building of the school here. It was all for the Part L empirical calculations. So we designed in-house a specialist system to go on the roof, which produces 13,000 kilowatt hours of energy per year. Saves 2,500 kilograms of CO2 per year, which is 116 trees. An estimated savings of over £3,500 in the first year.
One of the enhancements that features on this school compared to a lot of other traditional schools is the amount of landscaping and hardscaping that's been carried out around each pavilion. Over 4,000 bulbs have been planted just on the front elevations alone, various trees, shrubs, a lot of wildflower seed. This gives an enhanced atmosphere and a teaching facility that's not normally associated with a traditional school. The full height windows give more natural light, enhance the teaching environment, and also cut down the electricity use of the school. So in long term reduces the carbon footprint of the building. The structure of the building is manufactured from a SIPS panel, which is a structural insulated panel system. The panels that we've used on this project are timber, and we've linked them with glulam beams. The reason of using the timber glulam beams is for sustainability, reducing again our carbon footprint by not using hot rolled steels. This project embodies Stepnell's commitment to the forest school concept, the decarbonisation of construction for a better working future.